everybody, this is Igor Lumertz from PCH Dent Repair, and in this video I want to show you how I fixed this little dent right on the edge of this door. It had a little double wall, barely any access to put a tool in there, and I was able to find this special little tool that helped me fix this dent, all paintless dent removal, no painting.
This is the double wall, the double panel that I'm talking about. This is the view from the inside of the door. The dent right on the edge. This is a different angle. And this is the process for estimating on Mobile Tech RX. I find a 1-inch dent, medium depth, and here I select edge of panel. In this case, I didn't need to remove the door panel. I was able to work through the window using a window protector. This is how we usually work on dents on the door. And this is the first tool that I tried. It didn't work. Second tool. I had to try many different tools to find the right angle for this little dent right there, and this is the one I found that worked. It had a special curve for that location. It's a little Excalibur tool, really nice. And here me working on the dent, slowly massaging, pushing the metal back to its original shape, paying attention to the little details. This is tapping the metal back. And here's the final product. You can see all paintless dent removal. Came out super nice, clean. This is before again. And this is after. You can see with my light right here before and after. For a free estimate, please text us a picture of the damaged area to 760-522-3101. And thanks for watching.